Hello, this one's fractions, worksheet on fractions. So pause, have a go, and then see what we get together. This is quite a long one, this one. Right, okay. What fraction with the bottom number of 4 is equivalent to 9 over 12? So we'll put bottom number of 4. So that's divided by 3. So if I divide the top by 3 as well, I get 3/4. What is 7/6 on 18? Right, so I'm going to do 7/6 times 18. Okay, I'll do it the long way. 7 times 18. Okay, I'll do that first. Let's so 18 times 7. It's 49, 56, and 7, and that 126. So 126 divided by 6 is 21. What fraction with a top number of 5 is equivalent to 4 over 20? So we've got 4 over 20, and we want something with a top number of 5. So let's divide by 4. Divide by 4 to get 1 over 5. And now we'll multiply by 5 to get 5 over 25. What is 7 halves of 10? So 7 times 10 is 70. So 70 divided by 2 is 35. Convert the following to mixed numbers to fractions. Okay, so we do the bottom times the big number and then add the top. So 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10, 10 over 7. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 6 is 22, so it's 22 over 8. It's not asking us to simplify, so we'll just leave it at that. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9 over 4. Convert the following fractions to mixed numbers. Well, we need 13 divided by 5, which is 2, remainder 3. So it's 2 and 3 fifths. 11 divided by 2, which is 5, remainder 1. So we've got 5 and 1 half. And 36 divided by 7, 5 sevens 35, so it's 5 remainder 1, so it's 5 and 1/7. Put these fractions in order from smallest to largest. Oh goodness gracious, let's come up a little bit. Gee, lower than 75, 75. Can't use calculator either. Does 75 go into all of these? Let's have a look at the 75 times table. 75, 150, 225, 300, 375. Doesn't go into 250, does it? Can't divide that by 5. 75. What's 37.5? Let's have a look at that. What if I double that? 375 times 2. 14, 15, 750. So I can double that one, double that one to be, times that one by 10, which gives me 340 over 750. Double that one, which is 350 over 750. Treble that one, which is 330 over 750, and that remains the same, 335 over 750. So smallest to largest is, that's the smallest, that's the second, that's the third, and that's the fourth. Oh, that was complicated. Right, well, what can we do for these? We've got to find a common denominator. 5. 85 and 85 is 170. Oh, right, okay. So look, 85, double it, 170, times it by that by 2, gives me 340. So 340 looks like it's going to work. So I need to multiply that by 4, which gives me 80 over 340. That one's the same, 85 over 340. Double that one, 68 over 340. And what to do with that one to get 340? Times it by 17. 17. So that gives me 340. And 6 times 17. 6 sevens are 42. 602. 102 over 340. So smallest is that one, then that one, then that one, then that one. Oh, I don't like these. Right, common denominator. 30. 30. So this becomes 48 over 30. This becomes 50 over 30. This becomes times 6. 6 9 54 over 30. And this becomes 51 over 30. So the smallest is the smallest number at the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's the largest to smallest, so we've got to find a common denominator is 24. So we've got 89 over 24. 4 multiplied by 4, 88. Multiply by 3, 329s. 3 nines are 27. 3 twos are 6 and 8. 87. And multiply by 2, which is 90 over 24. So largest will be this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. So you've got to find a common denominator. Okay. Right. 7 over 3 plus 2 over 9. So multiply the two bottom ones. 3 nines are 27. And 9 times 7 is 63. 3 times 2 is 6. So that equals 69 over 27. Change it into a mix. 27 and plus 27, 54. So that goes 2 and 15 over 27. Simplify that, divide by 3, which equals 2 and 5 over 9. 11 over 4 minus 14 over 8. Okay. 4 eighths are 32. 88 4 14s, 28, 56 minus 56, 32 over 32. Oh, that equals 1. Okay. 4 and 4 fifths plus 2 and 8 tenths. Let's make that both fifths, yeah? So we've got 4 and 4 fifths plus 2 and 4 fifths. So this is going to be 6 and 8 fifths. Oh, 8 fifths is 1 and 3 fifths. So that will be 7 and 3 fifths. Well, these are challenging, huh? So this way is a negative, so we'll turn them into top heavies. So 28, 30 over 14 minus 7, 13 over 7. Change that into 14ths. So we've got 30 over 14 minus 26 over 14, which equals 4 over 14, which equals 2 over 7. 15 over 12 plus 1/7. Okay, big numbers here. 7 times 12, 84. 84. 7 times 15, 15 times 7, 35, 7, 105, 105 plus 12, which equals 117 over 84, and 84's into that is 1, and so we've got 117 minus 84, see what we've got left over, 3. 33 over 84. Right, one at the bottom. There's another one at the bottom as well. Right, we're going to subtract. So 77, 11 times 23 is 253 minus 56. Down to 197 over 77. So 77 plus 77, 7 4, that's 154. Not going to get another 77 in there. So that's going to equal 2 and 43 over 77. Let's change this into a top heavy. So 10, 17 over 10 plus 27, 31 over 9, which equals something over 90. 9 times 17. 7 9 63. 9, and that's 15. So we've got 153 minus, hang on, that will be 310. It can't be a negative number. We've done something wrong there. 17 over 10, 27. Plan B. Plan B on that one. I don't know what I did wrong there. Plan B. Because it's add, I'll add these two numbers together to get 4. And then I've just got 7/10 plus 4/9. Right, see what that comes out at. 9 tens are 90. 7 nines is 63. Oh, I just needed a plus sign, didn't I? Plus 40. I was subtracting, that's where I went wrong. So it's 103 over 90, which equals 1 and 13 over 90. Add the two together, I get 5 and 13 over 90. And there's more. Whoa. Look at these, we're going to add and oh god. Right, let's change these into top heavies. 6 times 13. 3 sixes are 18, 6, 78, plus 8 is 86 over 13 minus 9 over 4. That 4 13s, well, I know that 3 of them are 39, so I'll add another one. 9, 10 and 12, 5, 52. So I've got 52 at the bottom. 4 times 86. 86 times 4. 4 sixes are 24. 4 eights are 32, 34. So I've got 3, 4, 4, and 9 times 13. 3 nines are 27, and 1 9, 10, 11. Minus 1, 1, 7. Okay, 3, 4, 4 minus 1, 1, 7 is 7, 2, 2. So I've got 227 over 52. Right, 52. 52, add another 52 is 404. 156, get in there, 8208. So that's going to equal 4. 208, we need 9 to make it 17, 19 over 52. All these are getting complicated. So I'm going to add these two and then take that one away. Or shall I make them all 18ths? Yeah, the common denominator 18. So this is going to be 10 over 18 plus 18 times it by 6. 6 sevens are 42 minus 3, 48 over 18. Okay, so I've got 52 over 18 minus 48 over 18, which is 4 over 18, which is 2 over 9. Right, can make these all 99s. Yeah, multiply that by 11. 11. So 11 9s are 99. So I've got 99, 11 11s are 121, plus multiply that by 9. So I got 99, 81, and that's okay. So 81 and 121 is 202. So I've got 202 over 99 minus 37 over 99. So 202 minus 37 is 561. So that's 165 over 99, which is 1 and 66 over 99. Now I can divide that bit by 11, which is 1 and 6 over 9. Oh, I can divide that by 3, which is 1 and 2 thirds. Okay, 12, 5, 6. 5/12s, 5/12. I can make them into 60ths. 60ths. So I multiply that by 5, which is 180, plus, I'm going to multiply that by 12 to make it 60. 12 times 25. 25 times 12. These are not easy, are they? Yeah? 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. That's 5. 5, 2. 300 minus 360 over 60. So that's 480 over 60 minus 360 over 60, which is 120 over 60, which equals 2. Right, 2/3 plus 13/10 plus 5/8. Common denominator for that. 3/8 is 24. 30. Oh, I don't know. Let's just do these first two bits, yeah? I'm going to make them into 30ths. All the numbers are going to get big, aren't they? Let's just do 2/3 plus 13/10, which is 30. 20 plus 39, which equals 59 over 30 minus 5 over 8. So we've got 240 on the bottom, and 8 times 59. 59 times 8 is 864, 72. 5 8s are 40, 47. So I've got 472 minus 150. So 472 minus 150 is 223. So I've got 322 over 240. That's going to be equal to 160 and 82 over 240. Let's make that, simplify that a bit. Divide by 2, which equals 1 and 41 over 120. I don't know if they can make that any smaller. Oh my goodness. My goodness, that's difficult. Okay, so there you go, there's fractions.